Hi, many clients have this question. Is it a good idea to use quartz stone for your kitchen countertops? In this video, we're going to conduct 3 tests to answer this question. Let's go. And the first is the anti-scratch test. In the kitchen, we use mostly knives to cut vegetables and other stuff. As you can see, the quartz remains as smooth as though I've not used anything on it. And the second test is the stain resistant test. Mostly we use soy sauce in our kitchen. For example, if we spill this soy sauce here and leave it for at least 3 hours, then wipe it off. We'll see if it has any effects on the quartz stone.
3 hours later.
After 3 hours, we continue with the stainless test. We're going to use this tissue to wipe it off and the towel. As you can see, there are no stains left on the quartz stone. The third test is the high temperature resistance. Using the lighter, we're going to test. As you can see, after heating it with the lighter, the surface still remains the same. I believe that after you finish watching this video, you now have more confidence in using quartz stone for your kitchen countertops, which is more durable, wear resistant and high temperature resistant.